Hey guys, welcome back. Here in this video. Let me show you what's new in Odoo 20 sales. So, Odoo 20 now allows you to save a section as a template and reuse it in the future operation. So, if you are just professional to create a quotation in Odoo sales module, this feature will help you a lot. So, let's see by moving on to the quotations. So here I'm going to create a new quotation. Let me show you. Okay. So basically, this feature is actually helpful instead of creating the same section repeatedly. Like you can simply select a previously saved template and insert that into your sales order instantly. And it will actually save your lot of time. Okay. So let me give you an example. Suppose if you guys are just running a company which needs to create multiple quotation or a lot of quotation in everyday basis, and you guys are providing different kind of things inside a quotation, like you guys are providing a product, services, or a different kind of products such as furniture, or we can say clothes, something like that. You should create a quotation to give that to your customer, and they can more identify about your quotation every time, right? So instead of creating every sections repeatedly on different quotation side, you can now save this as a template. So that's the most useful thing if you are just working under a company like that. This will be very useful. So let me show you. First of all, let me specify with the customer. Let it be open book. Once I've done with that, now first of all, I'm going to create a section which is called furniture. Okay, furniture. And once I have done with that, I can move on to the toggle icon. I hope you all guys can see this. Yeah, this is the toggle icon. And once the drop down menu is there, from there itself, there we have a new option to save this as a template. I'm going to save this as template. And Odoo instantly give you a message like the section template furniture created successfully. And if you want to see that is also created or not, simply click on the add section and there you will get the new section is there, which is furniture. So this section will be reusable in different quotations in the future. Okay. Now I'm going to add the product under the section, which is furniture, such as like chair, and we need more chair. Okay, there we have conference chair. I'm okay with that. And once I've done with that, I'm going to add more product, which is an office chair. So these all are a furniture for offices. Okay. And I want to add a table. So let it be a dining table. So once I've done with the furniture, I can add any other services or a clothes items as well. So if I want to add a cloth item, I can easily save a template, a section template first of all. So I'm going to add a new section. Okay. So let me add a new section by clicking on this option. And I'm going to add this as cloth. Okay. Clothes. Once I've done with that, I can save this as a template once more. So it is saving. You can see a message is provided by Odoo. Now I'm going to add the cloth like shirt. There we have black embroidered t-shirt. And there I'm going to provide this in a small size. If I want to add more clothes, I can simply add them under my section. Okay. So let me add another cloth named as, the t-shirt as well. So they will get all the clothes under that. T-shirt and pants combo. If I want to provide them, I can easily provide it. Okay. So let it load. It will take a little bit of time. No problem. So I'm going to add to order. So that's how simply you can section them and you can add them under a particular sections, and you can save this as a template. So once you guys are done with it, I can confirm this as a sales order. And let me give you another example. Like if I'm moving on to the quotation, and if I want to create a new one, simply click on this option. and let me specify with any of the customers. And if I'm clicking on, sorry, add, not add line, I want to add a section first of all. So if I'm moving on to the add section, there you can find the two sections that we have just saved in our TP. Okay. So if I want to add them as a furniture, first of all, I can use them and I can add all other product, which means the furniture under this particular session. So that's how simply this feature will help you. So if I am on a family trip with my or if you are a sales manager, or if you are a owner of your company, like if you are guys going to any kind of family trip, from there itself also you can simply handle this whole thing. So you guys are wondering how I can do this. Yeah, here this role is really easy once you guys are downloading Mobo from a Play Store and App Store. Okay. So you guys can simply do them because Mobo is a mobile suite of Odoo. So it actually means like whatever things that you guys are doing inside your Odoo using a perfect system, that all thing can be done by the Mobo very easily. So there you will get a mobile phone view of Odoo and you can do the configuration, you can see the reports, you can do the, or you can create a quotation, same as the same, you can add the section, everything will be controllable, and everything will be actually creatable under the Mobo. So you guys can use them if you are not just aware about any kind of things inside your company and you guys are just carrying your mobile phone, because mobile phone in nowadays it is an inevitable part of our daily life. We just need to carry mobile phone everywhere, like we are going, but we can't even carry a laptop or a system every time because sometimes we'll forget about that, right? But for a solution, we Cybrosys created a mobile suite for Odoo, so you guys can simply use them. So I've already told you, you can download them from the App Store and the Play Store, because in both section it will be available. So I just want to, and know from you only one thing, like your reviews, guys. Please give us the review about the Mobo once you guys are using it, and let me get the suggestions from you. If you guys need to get any other kind of features, or you just need to get any other important things from Mobo, please do comment down below in this video, and don't forget to download Mobo. And yeah, that's all about this video. So I'll be back with another different features in Odoo sales module. So till the next video, bye bye.